What's going on, guys? Here with another video. Today I'm actually going with the On The Gas guys. Tito with On The Gas hit me up for a cluster for his truck, which originally was Black China. I had done a cluster for that one, and then he got a wrap for it right now, so I'm sure a lot of y'all have seen it already. So we're going with something a little different. I'm gonna go give him a temporary cluster because the one we had did for him was red face, and of course it doesn't go with the truck anymore. So I'm gonna give him a one with the black face, all white LEDs, white platinum needles, and because he's going out of town, he don't want to go with that red cluster. And when he gets back, I'm planning on working something a little different to match the truck better, and that way I can check that out. Alright guys, so this is the cluster I had done for him. Guess the battery's dead. We're about to swap it out because he's red, and now he did the color change. Alright, here's the old cluster. Last time I installed it, he also had that little light on. The Fletcher, I guess he never fixed it. So it's gonna do the same problem with the new one, but I really like this one. It's not gonna go with the truck. So let's get the new one installed. All right, guys, there's the new one. Boom. Got him lit. Black SS face, white LEDs, white platinum glow needles, white DIC, gear indicators, todo el pedo, white. And that satin bezel. So he's good to go now. Looks a little bit better with that wrap. Vámonos. Alright guys, so as I've mentioned before, my turbo truck is not 100%. Still got some stuff that we need to work on. So I'm actually going to Caesars right now to drop it off. Got a couple of things I want him to check out and get it going. I'm trying to not do that crunch time deal that we do every time before an event. So I'm trying to get a head start for OTM. And get this truck going, and you know, not be doing the last minute things and have excuses on why the truck's not running right. So I'm trying to get a little bit of a head start, see how it goes. Hopefully we can figure out what's going on with it. It's been having like an electrical issues. Some things don't turn on, my windows don't roll down, lights don't turn on, and for some reason when I pump gas, it's like it takes forever to pump because I don't know if something's kinked but I just have to keep trying to click. Take about 30 minutes to put like half a tank of gas in. That's too long. So that, and there are a couple other little things that I want them to check out. So fixing to go to Caesars, drop off the truck, get a little head start on OTM, and hopefully we can get her going, tested, and all that good stuff before the show. I gotta be careful because, of course, my luck, my trailer's occupied and I need a driver there, and yep, we're training. All right, guys, I made it out here safely. Still a little rainy. I was shaking the whole way, but we're good. We made it. Dropping her off. Gonna fix the little issues that it has, hopefully. I don't think it's nothing major. Should be just some quick fixes, shouldn't take long. I think they probably left the opening of the gas tank clogged up, and that's why the gas is not going all the way through. So they're just gonna have to check that out and a couple of little things. So hopefully we'll get her back quick and do some more things to it and get her going for OTM. And I would love to get a few passes beforehand. And of course, if there's any events before OTM, you know, we'll be ready, hopefully. But there she is, the Mamalona. She made it safely, and let's see what they figure out on it. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Kind of excited today. It's been a little long time coming, but we're finally gonna go drop off the SS at Mando shop. We're gonna go drop her off right now so you can get started on it. That poor truck, it was really clean when I got it. One day I decided to take her on a road trip. When I took it on the road trip, I was behind, I guess like it was a hotshot driver or something, and he dropped some material fell off of his truck. I think it was some metal pipe or something. And when that happened, I felt it hit under my truck, thought it wasn't a big deal. But then when I got home, it was a big deal. So it wound up hitting this part of the truck. And from there, I had also got the cluster from Freddie, the front grill. We haven't had a chance to paint it, so now it's about to get all done. So I have this kind of deal where shit happens, kind of like on my Marauder. Whenever I think it was Harvey hit, it was close to the basketball goal, and the wind knocked it over, hit the roof a couple of times. Then I kind of just lost interest in it. It's just been sitting there. You know, those are expensive fixes, so kind of just let it go. Same thing with the SS, that happened. It kind of looks ugly. So Mando reached out to me and said, "Hey man, let's make this truck, let's make it look good again." So he finally has some room, and we're about to go drop her off. And y'all stay tuned for the outcome. All right, guys, so we're fixing to roll out. We're going to Mando's. We're taking a long trip over there. But now first we're gonna go pump gas, and because she has absolutely no gas, and we're gonna drop it off over there with Mando. Truck does have a major header leak, as y'all heard whenever I was showing y'all the problems with it. But we got some plans with it after the shop. I'm getting with Triple P, and we're gonna do some stuff to it, some upgrades, try to make her a little bit faster. We're trying to get away from the nitrous because I just had way too many issues with nitrous, and I'm fed up with it. Not trying to keep up trying, and it's just been too much. So anyways, y'all stay tuned. So I'm having a discussion here with my twins, Gianni and Giselle. One of them wants me to go fast. She says she likes to go fast. The other one says she likes to do donuts. So I guess they both got a little bit of my blood in them. Fast donuts, fast donuts. This one likes to do donuts and eat donuts. This one likes to go fast. Donuts. Oh, she likes donuts too. Just to show you an idea, it's my house. Show you how much of a drive it's going to be going to Mando's. Look at that hood, man. Poor hood. She's about to get some love though. Keep talking about it, and we've never done it, but just to open up a gate. pass right over. But yeah, we're here. Made it back in a few seconds. Finally. See my house from here. Cloning the world, guys. And this boy stays busy. That's why he never had time for me. So that's what she looks like right now. Don't cry, Mando.
Don't worry, we're gonna be parked for you.
So we out here with my boy Mando. He's fixing the. He's probably praying right now. He's like, "What the fuck this guy bring me?" Having instant regrets.
There's so one solution.
That's what I like. I like positive people. That's what she looks like right now. I think that's just dirt. Yeah, it's just dirt. The hood, the roof. What are those called? Claddings and rocker, Mando?
Yeah. So go ahead and replace with a new one. This you can repair it, but not the right thing to do. Just go ahead and replace it. They're expensive, but the best thing to do is just to replace it, and it'll be less cost. Replace it for you, and not only that, they'll just give you peace of mind that you're not gonna have body failure or like any type of like glue or anything in the back.
Yeah.
So might as well just
Do it right the first time.
Just go ahead and still save it. You just never know.
Yeah.
Save those, and you can still fix it. To be honest.
There you go. So that's what she looks like right now. Hood and roof, and this is the worst part of it.
The rear bumper.
Oh yeah.
The rear bumper's already ordered, so I should get it Tuesday. It's gonna be a 100% OEM new from the dealer.
So the rear bumper does have, it's holy.
I don't know how it happened, but we're still.
That's what you get when you buy stuff online.
We'll remove it, clean it, reinstall it with new adhesive.
Yeah.
I don't want to get into details here. Why it has red overspray,
That was me.
but don't worry. We can take that off.
See what happens when you try to do it yourself.
Yeah.
I was experimenting with the spraying bed liner. Yeah, and yeah, I'm not a painter, guys. See what happens? You get criticized, Mr. Positive over here.
No, but it's easy. It's easy to remove. This is such a chemical that you can remove overspray on top of original paint, so it will not affect anything.
So we're missing. What's that?
You got the protective film?
Yeah. I do got some taillights for it because these are all messed up. Some taillights back there.
You want to go with smoke headlights?
Yeah, that's what I was going to tell you when they smoke them.
And
might as well.
The third brake light as well. You got all three of them.
So those are just regular stock headlights, but if you could smoke them, yeah, that'd be great. I think it'll go good with the truck, right?
Yeah. You do like a really, really light.
Light, yeah.
It's gonna be like maroon, like a dark maroon.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to get stuff like that on. For the year, it's clean.
This is the good side, kind of, until Mando finds something.
Yeah, we gotta fix this. That's a chip already. You don't want to make it worse, so we're just gonna go ahead and fix this chip, blend it, primer, seal it, and spray the whole bumper again. And of course, once we're done painting everything, take it to my good friend, my boy Kegs Detailing, and get this truck a complete color sand and restoration and a ceramic coat. Just to pop that black again.
That killer look.
Just to restore the paint, because actually the paint is still clean. It's still good.
Still see myself.
Pretty much gonna look like your step side when I first painted when I fixed the roof. You color match your stuff and your cow hood.
Oh man, that was like a mirror.
And then when we buffed it, did a 3-stage buff. Pretty much the same thing. And we gotta go ahead and replace this grill and swap it for the paintable one.
Okay.
Because the paintable one as well has the pocket for your bolt on. So your bolt on can stay flush inside instead of popping out.
Got it.
It will give you more down here.
All right, guys, there she is. Stay tuned for the outcome. I'm periodically come over here and check on him because it's a really long drive, and it don't look like he has much work, so I have to make sure he stays on top of my shit.